to Technofiction. The next unit in this module is create a simple custom report. And the same as the last unit, we have to complete the given instructions. And in this, we have to create a summary report. So launch your playground and go to Setup. In Setup, type users and click users. Near your name, click edit. In that you can see the role as none specified. In that, click as CEO and click save. In your playground, go to Sales app, and in that go to opportunities. In recently viewed, click all opportunities. Near this opportunity name, click this checkbox. So all of the checkbox will be selected. In close date, choose any one close date and update the date to today's date. And click this checkbox here to update 31 selected items and then click apply. The date has been changed. So click the save button here, and next we have saved that. Go to reports tab and click new report. Choose the report type as opportunities and click continue. First, click this update preview automatically, so it will always update. And in the preview pane, click the arrow next to the opportunity owner column heading and then select group rows by this field. Click this arrow and click group rows by this field. It has been grouped, and then go to filters. In that, ensure close date is set to current FQ and click opportunity status and select open and click apply. So go to close date and check the range is current FQ, and next in opportunity status click open and click apply. Click outline pane and click the next to the following column headers to remove them. So we have to remove owner role, fiscal period, age, created date, next step, lead source, type. Total is 7. We have to click this X near owner role, fiscal period, age, close date, next step, type, and lead source. Next, we have to add a summary field. So click the arrow next to the amount column and select summarize. In amount column, click summarize and click sum. Now we have to save the report as opportunities by rep. So in this, we can change the name and we have to give a description. So click save and run, and we have changed the name already. And in description, paste the given thing and next. We have to choose the folder as global sales reports. Don't forget that. Click global sales reports and click select folder and click save. We have finished this report. Let's check it. We didn't complete this, so the report still contains some of the fields that need to be removed. Please check the requirements. We had removed owner role, fiscal period, age, creator, date, next step, lead source. Click edit. In outline. Oh, I'm sorry, I have deleted the close date. I need to remove the created date. So add the close date here. Now click save and click run. Let's check it now. Thanks for watching.